Hey, it's Jill from Investing Simple. Today I'll be showing you how to transfer from Coinbase to Robinhood step by step. In this video, I'll be walking you through how to transfer from Coinbase to Robinhood with a Robinhood crypto wallet. If you do not have the Robinhood crypto wallet, you can still perform this transfer. However, you will need to sell your cryptocurrencies in Coinbase and transfer the funds to your bank. From there, you will transfer those same funds from your bank to Robinhood and then finally repurchase the cryptos. Keep in mind that when you do this, you may incur capital gains tax should you sell your cryptos for a gain. Okay, let's dive in. This is how to transfer from Coinbase to Robinhood with a Robinhood wallet. The first step is to open a Robinhood account. If you already have a Robinhood account, then you can skip forward. Opening a new Robinhood account is really simple. There's a reason the app is so popular, and that's because it has made it so easy to sign up and start investing. To sign up for an account, you'll just need to make sure you are eligible. If so, you can download the app and follow the prompts. After your account is set up, it's time to gather information about your wallet. Since you are sending the crypto to Robinhood, you need your Robinhood wallet address. Each cryptocurrency has its own unique wallet address. Therefore, it is crucial that you locate the correct address. For example, if you want to send Bitcoin, then you must copy the Bitcoin address. You can locate your Robinhood wallet address by following the instructions on screen. Once you have located the desired cryptocurrency and corresponding wallet address, you will copy it. You will use this wallet address to paste into the Coinbase platform. It's time to finish off the transfer over in the Coinbase platform. Open the app or desktop version and log into your account. You'll start by selecting the cryptocurrency you want to transfer and paste in the wallet address you copied from Robinhood. After indicating the amount you would like to transfer, you'll simply review the transfer and click the Send button. You can complete the transfer using the steps on screen. You ought to be aware that each outgoing crypto transfer from Coinbase does have applicable fees. Well, that brings us to the end of this video. Be sure to claim your free stock in Robinhood using the link on screen.